What's up, guys? Welcome back to the next video in this rebuild series of my 88 FCR X7. I kind of forgot to film an intro for this video whenever we went to do the initial engine teardown, so I'm doing that now, a couple days after. But I'm gonna get into the footage that we have of the engine teardown. We were able to just transfer it right over to my school, pull it apart there, and then now I got all the parts back at the house and we're gonna get started on the street port process. But for now, enjoy some of these clips and we'll get back to some more info about it at the end of the video. Gonna get copywritten, bro. Come on. Aww. Go. So after pulling apart the motor, we figured out that it blew an apex seal pretty bad, most likely due to oil starvation. The motor had no oil metering pump, and I was told it was pre-mixed ½ ounce to an ounce, which from what I've been told, I should have been more closer to 2 with no oil metering pump, and especially if it was being drifted before. So that's kind of my guess for as to why the motor blew. I have already sourced a new Series 4 NA housing that I believe is basically brand new. And then I'm still deciding between either getting 2 brand new housings or just getting 1. I got 2 different options. They're kind of a good deal for 2, so I'm kind of just debating going with that and having new housings for the whole thing. So I'm going to be getting a Stage 2 clutch and a lightweight flywheel for the car. I'm thinking that's probably the best route to go since I'm going to be drifting the car on the track mostly. And I'm looking to be picking up a Series 4 LSD, so that way I can still kind of take this car around. Living in the Blue Ridge Mountains, I do want to be able to drive this car when I'm not drifting it on the track. And it's not going to quite be how my Lexus was with how low it is, but I like to keep it a little bit more usable and driver friendly and less just for good looks. So yeah, but we're making some good progress on the car, and my buddy Zach's going to be starting the Streetport process hopefully here pretty soon. Hope you all enjoyed the video, and we'll be back with a new video pulling apart the suspension on my buddy Nathan's E30 4-door. We're going to be doing some new coilovers on that, I believe. Hopefully some KW motorized suspension for it, so that way it can be sort of like bags, but he can still drive it pretty hard because he likes to drive his cars. So yeah, we look forward to that in the next video.